This is Webassign 1.1, question 4. Two race cars approach the finish line of a race as shown in the figure above. Cars A and B travel with speeds of 50 meters per second and 40 meters per second. At the instance shown, car A is 200 meters from the finish line and car B is 8 meters behind car A. Car A continues to travel at 50 meters per second toward the finish line, but car B begins to speed up with a constant acceleration of 6 meters per second squared. Which car wins the race? So we can calculate the time that it takes for car A to get to the finish line. So this one's pretty easy. So here we have car A, and car A needs to travel 200 meters to reach the finish line, and they are going 50 meters per second. And that cancels out, and we'll get 4 seconds. And to figure out car B, we need to use the kinematics equation because we have an instant, but it does change in over time. So the kinematics equation is d, so the distance of car B equals the velocity of car B multiplied by the time it takes for car B, and then we're going to add on the rest times, and so we just plug in our values. So the distance it takes for car B to get to the finish line at this instant right now, or this instant that we are given, is 208, which equals the velocity, and that is 40, times the time, and we don't know what the time is, so we're just going to put t, and then add our half, and plug in our acceleration, which is 6, as we got from the problem, and multiply that by the time, which we still don't know. And in order to get this, we're going to need to do the quadratic formula, but just simplified down, we're going to get two values, and one of them is going to be negative, one of them is going to be positive. We can just cancel out the negative because time can never be negative, and that is going to give us 4 seconds. So car B and car A will both reach the finish line at the same time, meaning that there's no winner in both cars reach the finish line at the same time.